at me. Look how many I have. So many. Hello everyone, so I thought I would do what I've crocheted in December for Christmas gifts because this is the most hats I have ever crocheted in a year. So let's get into it. So I made hats for my family and my boyfriend's family, and these are all the things I made for my family. I'm gonna start with these ones first. And the first actually is this cute little ear warmer that I made. So cute. I actually made this for my mom. It has a little twist in the front. It's very simple. My mom's very simple, so I thought it would be perfect, and she does wear these sometimes, so perfect gift. Very simple to make, very quick. If you're actually thinking of any gifts to make for your family, little handmade ones, this is a perfect one. Very simple, very quick to make, and yeah. The next thing I'm gonna show you is this cute little Pooh beer bucket hat. So cute. My sister actually gave me the idea a while ago, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make one. So cute. I actually followed a YouTube video for this one as well, just to get like the look that I wanted. And it was actually very easy to follow onto. I did have to adjust sizing because it was made for like a preemie, and this one obviously is not. But I love it, and I can't wait to see it on her. I would show you what it looks like on, but unfortunately this is not gonna fit my head, so. And then I made this little half and half beanie. I love the half and half look. I have made one before in the past. I think this is only my second one that I've actually made, and I love it. This one's for my nephew. I did a mustard yellow on one side, and then I think this is supposed to be like a clay color. And I just love how it looks. It's very simple, but very cute. Kind of has a little bit, you know, extra to it. I would show you what this looks like on, but again, this one's not gonna fit my head either. This is made for my nephew, so it's too small. And then I made this cute little cat ear beanie in green. So cute, so simple. I made this for one of my sisters because she had seen my other sister wearing a cat ear beanie that I had made previously, and she thought it was really cute. So I was like, good Christmas gift idea. So I made her one in green because she loves like these kind of colors. So I thought it'd be perfect. It's very cute, very simple. I love the look of cat ear beanies, so this is a good one too. And then this is the beanie that I had made for my brother-in-law. I believe it is supposed to be a sage green, and it's so cute. Simple. It's in like the color palette that they like, so it was perfect. And now I'm gonna show you all the things I made for my boyfriend and his family, which is all of these. Let's get started. So this one I'm really excited about because it's a bonnet that I made for my boyfriend's sister. And I just love the color. I think it's supposed to be clay. And it's so cute. I have made a bonnet in the past, but it was for my niece, so it was much smaller. I did use a YouTube video because I saw like a picture of this online, and I was able to find the YouTube video for it. I did have to adjust like the sizing on my own because when I did it from the YouTube video, it was a little too small. So I did have to fix measurements, but I love how it turned out. So cute, so simple, and yeah. And of course I made another cat ear beanie. And this one is like a tan color, neutral, very cute, very simple. I love making cat ear beanies because once you get the hang of it, they're very quick to make. I just love how they look, super cute. And then I made a brown one, neutral color. I like to stick to some neutral colors because that way his family can kind of pick out which ones they want instead of just assigning them, which is what I did for his family. And I love the rib look. Beanies can be really easy to make once you get down how to make them. Like I watched a YouTube video on how to make this, the one that I found that was easy for me, and yeah, I can make a couple in a day now. It's nice. And then I made a mustard yellow one. I love the mustard yellow look, it's so cute. Adds a little pop of color, not too bright, not too dark. Very cute. Again, made this for my boyfriend's family, and they can kind of choose which ones they like. Yeah, I love the rib look. The rib looks really cute, simple. And then last time I made for his family, they're both green, just different shades. I love the dark colored beanie, the dark green. This one is like similar to the one I made for my brother-in-law, but it's more pale. Yes, very cute, simple. And I think I made these two in the same day, which is pretty good for me, so yeah. Now this one, this is my favorite one because it's blue, and blue is my favorite color. This one's like a darker blue and it's so pretty. I made this one for my boyfriend. I thought I would add a little pop of color for him because he usually wears black, but I think this will be very cute. Simple. Okay, so I did make 3 more hats because my boyfriend's family does White Elephant every year and I wanted to participate. So I made a variety. I actually made 2 cat ear beanies this time and then a regular one. Start with the regular beanie. Get another rib one, but this one's in red. Very soft. I actually really like the feeling of this one. And yeah, this is a white elephant gift. So I'm excited for that. And then I made 2 cat ear beanies. Striped, both striped. One in black and white and one in blue and white. I love the different color combinations. I have made cat ear beanies in the past, but I've never used these color combinations and I'm absolutely in love. They're so cute. So simple, very quick to make, but you get the hang of it. I did watch YouTube videos to figure out how to do these since I hadn't made them in a while, but yeah, very cute. And that is all the hats I made this year. I thought I would share a little video of all the ones I've made because this is, I think, the most I've ever made in a year, probably around 15 or so. And yeah, I love the colors and I'm curious to know what kind of, which ones you guys have made in the past, like color combinations, different styles. I would love to venture out more on different ones. I usually stick to simple, but I love doing like more crazy colors like that. Yeah. And also comment down below if you have any good Christmas gift ideas you've made this year or in the past, because I like to get ideas for the next year. Gotta get started on them. Yeah, that is all the beanies, hats, and headpieces I have made in December. All in December. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye. She wants to see all the hats. All the hats. Bye, everybody.